Astronomers discover an enormous object orbiting at the edge of our solar system. It's not Planet 9, Planet X Nibiru, but the planetary body astronomers have found at the far edge of our solar system is a notable discovery nonetheless. They've named it DD for distant dwarf. And although it was first noticed in late 2016, little information about its physical structure was known back then, and now new data from the Atacama Large Submillimeter Array, the ALMA, has uncovered details about DD, and it's even larger than scientists predicted. The new data reveals that DD is around 2/3 the size of Ceres, a dwarf planet whose claim to fame is being our asteroid's belt's largest member. DD also has enough mass to be spherical, so it qualifies as a dwarf planet, although astronomers have not bestowed that official belt label on it just yet. DD rests approximately 92 astronomical units, that's about 137 billion kilometers or 86 billion miles away. 1 AU is about 93 million miles. It's the distance between the Sun and our Earth. Now, from the Sun towards the edge of our solar system, light from the Sun takes about 13 hours to reach DD, making it second only to the dwarf planet Eris in terms of most distant known trans-Neptunian object orbits, TNOs. DD takes around 1,100 years to lap around the Sun just once. Finally, noticing this distant neighbor to the mysterious Planet 9 hints, or Planet 10 Nibiru, at how much is still unknown right here in our own solar system. Far beyond Pluto is a region surprisingly rich with planetary bodies, said lead researcher David Gerdes to a news release from the National Radio Astronomy Observatory, NRAO. He said some are quite small, but others have sizes to rival Pluto and could possibly be much larger. Planetary objects like DD are the best clues to understand how the planets in our solar system formed. They are remnants from our solar system's past, but also a sign of our astronomical future, a future that includes modern technology capable of detecting extremely distant and slow-moving objects on the edges of our solar system. That future is just on the horizon thanks to continued tech advancements like bigger telescopes such as the James Webb Telescope. DD is a perfect example of the rapid pace of this advancement, and it was first noticed by researchers at Chile's Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory as part of the Dark Energy Survey last year. At the time, astronomers were not sure if it was small and very reflective or large and very dark. Follow-up observations from ALMA were able to confirm its unusual size and darkness readily. Gerdes confirmed in the NRAO release, ALMA picked it up fairly easily. We've calculated that this object would be incredibly cold, only about 30 degrees Kelvin, just a little above absolute zero. Then they confirmed that DD reflected only around 13% of the sunlight that reached it, making it about as bright as a candle at the halfway mark between Earth and the Moon. And yet we still saw it, he said. The discovery of DD heralds more revelations to come, both bright and dark, with all revealing new clues about our mysterious solar system and the universe. This is from Futurism magazine, and it's on Bended Reality. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.